The XTOOL IP500 OBD2 Scanner is an exceptional tool for Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler owners, offering 18 specialized services including suspension calibration and throttle matching. With FCA AutoAuth, this scanner eliminates the hassle of dealing with gateway issues for vehicles from 2018 onwards, providing instant access without the need for additional wiring or adapters. This device excels in full system diagnostics for Fiat Group vehicles, accessing over 30 critical modules such as transmission and airbag systems, which is invaluable for comprehensive vehicle maintenance. Its bi-directional control module allows for precise testing of various components, significantly simplifying troubleshooting and maintenance tasks for users. The XTOOL IP500 provides lifetime updates at no additional cost, ensuring that users benefit from the latest diagnostic advancements and ongoing improvements. The scanner offers a seamless user experience with a robust hardware configuration, including a dual-core processor and a high-resolution touchscreen, making it efficient and intuitive to use.